In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge Salesforce cases. This is an essential skill because managing your cases effectively can make a notable difference in maintaining high levels of customer satisfaction and streamlining your business operations. So let's dive right into the steps you need to follow. As you begin, the first thing you'll do is log into your Salesforce account. You'll immediately notice the interface, your dashboard, which might feel a bit overwhelming if you're new to the platform. Don't worry though, once you familiarize yourself with the setup, it becomes quite intuitive. Your journey starts at the top right corner of this dashboard, where you'll see the Quick Settings menu. Click on that. This menu is your gateway to a variety of customization and setup options, allowing you to tailor Salesforce precisely to your specifications, making tasks like case management a breeze. Once you've opened the Quick Settings panel, the next step is clicking on the option labeled Open Advanced Setup. This is where it gets interesting. The Advanced Setup screen is your playground for tweaking and managing various Salesforce functions. It's especially handy if there are specific features you rely on frequently, enabling you to optimize your workflow. Within the Advanced Setup, you'll spot a quick find box. Type Case Merge into this box. This is a hugely powerful feature within Salesforce, designed precisely to help you merge duplicate cases efficiently and maintain a clean, organized database. Once Case Merge appears in the results, give it a click. This selection will bring you to the Case Merge Setup screen. Here, it's time to check the Merge Cases box. Checking this box is crucial as it activates the merging functionality. With it enabled, combining cases, reducing duplicates, and managing customer interactions more efficiently becomes not just possible, but straightforward. After enabling this feature, another button you'll interact with is labeled Choose At. Click that, and you'll see options concerning case selection criteria. For our demonstration, we will choose the Closed option. By selecting Closed, you ensure that only cases with a status marked as such will be considered for merging. This keeps your open cases moving forward without interruption, ensuring that ongoing work continues unabated. The final action in this process involves confirming your choices and settings by clicking Save. This is the step that seals the deal, applying all your changes to ensure your Salesforce instance is now fully optimized for merging cases. And there you have it. By managing your cases diligently, you're improving customer satisfaction through quicker resolutions and well-organized communication. Thanks to these steps, you're all set to keep your customer service running effectively and smoothly. Thank you for watching, and be sure to implement these steps to discover the full potential of your Salesforce experience.